We're doing an upgrade on this Chevy Tahoe. We got Chris on the job already. Chris, how do you feel about installing a bootleg?
Well, it is what it is. That's what he could afford.
Well, we have installed the unit we bought from the internet. It's a GPS navigation, no name brand, car entertainment DVD, and we're doing the job properly with the Bose OnStar steering wheel adapter by PAC. This is the unit, backup camera, GPS antenna, Bluetooth is built into the unit. That's the wiring diagram on the unit. And we see no name brand on it. Bootleg.
Bootleg.
That's what's up. Put a reverse on, let's check it out.
All right, there we go.
Let's work.